Alright, here's the Rob Douglas. Let's see, carbon fiber scales here, titanium inlays. You see that or not? Blade's pretty much centered there. Actually, it could actually use probably like a little bit of adjustment. The pivot, but other than that, pretty much centered. Sculpted the pocket clip there. Not a bad job at all. And just a really light blade, actually, or knife. The flipper there is actually really smooth. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Opens up really nice. I mean, that's just a beast of a blade too. Actually, I'll compare it to my Hinder. You can see actually the size comparison there. A little scratched up, but not too far off. And then also, like I said, including the old neck knife here. Some little dagger thing he came up with. The bottle opener. It's a neat little thing. But yeah, not really sure what else to really say about it. It's a really nice knife. Thing's wicked sharp too. Opens right up, like I said. There's a detemp ball in there. Let's see, can you really see it or not? Oh, right there. There you go.